Reliable cleaning requires more than just dedicated on-site team. It also demands hands-on supervision and management. But we are doing regular checks and the cleaning team seems to be doing okay, you might think. Why do I need to spend extra money for an on-site supervisor? The problem is that on a large and complex site with large cleaning team, lack of on-site supervision can lead to poor handling of staff issues, complaints and errors. Lack of early detection of operational or safety issues, lack of quality assurance checks and oversight. Cleaning team left unsupervised for long stretches of time lead to communication breakdown between teams. Area managers and supervisors are disconnected from day-to-day realities. The solution: a dedicated supervisor on-site during operations, implementing quality procedures, audits and checklists, keeps track on service delivery and efficiency, makes sure safety measures are implemented and followed by the whole team, tracks inventory, ensures strong communication up and down the chain. Empowered supervisor leads proactively, inspects and course corrects. The supervisor is accountable for the team performance and provides a single point of contact for any issues or requests that needs to be communicated to the team. And the benefit: ongoing quality control and adherence to standards, rapid issue identification, reporting and resolution, boost staff engagement, performance and pride, continuous improvement through feedback loops. A true partnership, not an anonymous vendor. We have covered all the key ingredients of reliable cleaning, but how do you measure success? In the next video, we will discuss tracking performance. Does lack of supervision leads to cutting corners and inconsistent cleaning quality? Explore implementing rigorous quality control in a cleaning optimization strategy session with me.